In this video, we are going to learn 4 new initials, a special final, some pictographic characters, and some Chinese words and expressions, and tips about the neutral tone and the tone change rule of the negative word 不. Chinese course for beginners. Chapter 2. Part A. Initials and finals.
Today we are going to learn 4 initials and 1 more new final. The 4 initials are B, P, M, F. The initials are not actually pronounced, and the vocal cords do not vibrate. They only pronounced when they are spelled with the finals. The lip shape of the B and P is exactly the same. The only difference is whether they are aspirated sound or not. When you pronounce B, there's no airflow, while when you say P, it should be pronounced with strong airflow. When you say the final R, you should start from the sound between A and and you curl up your tongue a little bit at the same time. As we already said, the pinyin is the combination of the initial 声母, the final 韵母, and the tone 声调. But some finals could be the syllable by themselves. When these finals becomes the syllable form, the written forms sometimes changed, such as I, U, and Ü. The final R never spelled together with other initials.
Part B. Practice.
Now, let's listen and repeat every combination of these syllables. Please note that some combinations do not exist in Chinese pinyin system.
First tone. A, ba, pa, ma, fa, o, bo, po, mo, fo, m, I, B, P, Mi, Wu, Bu, Pu, Mu, Fu, Yu, R. Second tone. A, ba, pa, ma, fa, o, bo, po, mo, fo, m, I, B, P, Mi, Wu, Bu, Pu, Mu, Fu, Yu, R. Third tone. A, ba, pa, ma, fa, o, bo, po, mo, fo, m, I, B, P, 米五补谱母辅与耳 Fourth tone 啊爸怕骂发哦破破莫for么意必屁密物不铺木复玉二 Part C. Try this.
Now try to read this syllable. 木. In Chinese, one of the meaning of the syllable 木 is tree. In ancient times, when a person saw a tree, he would draw a picture like this, which became our original Chinese character with the meaning of tree. Nowadays, the character is written like this. So most of the original Chinese characters are pictographic characters, 象形字. There can be multiple Chinese characters with the same pronunciation, so the syllable 木 can also be written in such a character. 木. Could you guess the meaning of it? It means the eye. So when you see some new Chinese characters, you can try to remember them by the means of making up some stories, which will help you learn Chinese characters easier.
Part D. 汉字
Now, let's learn some more characters, and you may guess the meaning first, and then try to remember their pronunciations.
一一一一鱼鱼鱼鱼雨雨雨雨马马马马米米米米
When we write Chinese characters, there are some fixed stroke orders, and we write the characters in the same stroke order each time, which is helpful for better memory of Chinese characters. Here are the basic stroke orders as below.
Rule number 1. Rule number 2. Rule number 3. Rule number 4. Rule number 5. Rule number 6. Rule number 7.
Now please try to write these characters following the rules that you learned.
Part E. Words and expressions.
Here are more useful words with the syllables that we've learned. Read them and try to remember their meaning as many as you can.
1、2、5、8、爸爸、妈妈。
The syllables ba and ma after the first ba and ma are called the neutral tone, 轻声. 轻声 syllable is always used after other syllables, pronounced light and short.
比、不、不饿。
The original tone of the character bu is fourth tone, bu. But when it used before another fourth tone, it would change into the second tone, bu, such as the word 不饿.
Please check out the link in the pinned comment for more practice. Or download the study materials from our website. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future posts or updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.